Something massive just happened in real estate and almost no one is talking about it. Just a few days ago, Redfin became the latest company to launch inside of ChatGPT. That now means that Zillow, Redfin, and Google are all feeding property data directly into artificial intelligence. So here's what that means for you. 67% of buyers are now comfortable with choosing a real estate agent based on what ChatGPT recommends. But ChatGPT only recommends 5 names, and right now, less than 1% of agents are optimized to be one of those names. So in this video, I'm going to break down the 5 AI trends that will separate the agents who thrive in 2026 from the agents who disappear. And the first one is the most urgent. My name is Mike Sherrard. I've helped thousands of agents just like you build businesses powered by artificial intelligence and social media content. And right now, what I'm seeing in the data is both terrifying and exciting. It's terrifying if you ignore it, but exciting if you know how to position yourself. So let me break this down for you, trend by trend. Trend number 1. AI search is replacing Google. Most real estate agents are still optimizing for Google SEO. They're writing blog posts, updating their websites, maybe running some ads, but here's what they're missing. The way people search for real estate agents is splitting into 2. So 82% of Americans are now using AI for housing market research. 67% of buyers are using ChatGPT specifically for real estate insights, and 54% are using Google and Gemini. Zillow launched inside of ChatGPT in 2025, and Redfin launched this last week. So what this means is people are no longer just Googling the best agent in your city. They're asking ChatGPT who is the best real estate agent for first-time home buyers in your city. And ChatGPT gives 5 names. 5. That's it. So think about it like this. Google used to be the yellow pages. You searched, you got a list, and you picked someone. Now artificial intelligence is like having a personal assistant who already did the research for you and says, here's the 5 people that I would recommend. So if you're not one of those 5 names, you don't exist to 2/3 of your potential clients. And here's the kicker. Like we talked about, less than 1% of agents are optimized to show up in those AI recommendations. That means the agents who figure this out first almost have zero competition. Your online presence isn't just your website anymore. It's everything AI can read about you. Your Google business profile, your YouTube transcripts, your reviews, your social media content. AI pulls from all of it. The agents who will dominate in 2026 are the ones who optimize for AI recommendations, not just Google rankings. But here's where it gets really interesting, because while AI is changing how clients find you, it's also changing what they expect from you when they do find you. And that brings us to trend number 2. This is exactly what we help agents do inside of our program when they work with us. We optimize your entire digital presence so that AI can recommend you. And if you want to know how to do that, click the link in the description, book a call with my team, and we can chat about that. Trend number 2. AI-powered buyer and seller agents. Here's a stat that should wake you up. 97% of real estate agents at leading brokerages say that they use AI. It sounds impressive, right? But dig into the data and you'll find something crazy. 46% of those agents say that AI had no noticeable impact on their business. That's because most agents are using AI like a fancy typewriter. They're writing listing descriptions, social media captions. That is entry level 1. But the agents who are winning right now are operating at level 3. They're using artificial intelligence as an autonomous system that qualifies leads, responds in under 5 minutes, and nurtures prospects 24/7. Let me make this real. I'm seeing agents right now who are winning listings specifically because they walk into a listing presentation and say, here's how I leverage AI to sell your home faster. They show the seller AI-powered follow-up systems that respond to inquiries within seconds, how they get more exposure on properties, which again is exactly what we help people do. So again, link in the description. They show their automated marketing analysis tool. They will show how AI helps them identify the right buyers before the home even hits the market. This has become the hottest unique value proposition in real estate right now. So think about it. If you're a seller choosing between 2 agents, one who does things the traditional way and one shows you a technology-powered system designed to get the home sold faster, who do you think they are picking? Agents with less experience are beating out 20-year veterans because they're positioning themselves as AI-powered agents. And that's how powerful the positioning is. The best part is, it's incredibly simple. You don't have to become a tech expert. You just need to learn how to position AI as your value proposition. So the ask framework that I always use makes it simple. Assign the task to AI, show examples of what it produces, and keep control of the strategy. You're the pilot, AI is the co-pilot, and right now your clients want to know that their agent has a co-pilot. Now here's where most agents hear this and think, okay, that sounds great, but I don't even know where to start. And honestly, that makes sense because trend number 3 is going to show you just how much the game has changed when it comes to how you communicate with clients. Trend number 3 is hyper-personalization at scale. So in 2026, the shadow research phase has gotten deeper than ever. This is the period where a buyer investigates everything about the market before they ever contact an agent, and AI has made this phase longer and more sophisticated. 41% of buyers use AI to estimate monthly payments, 36% use AI for virtual tours and property analysis, and 35% use AI to check property values. That means they've already run a counter CMA before you even show up. So by the time a lead contacts you, they're not just a blank slate anymore. They have opinions, data, and expectations. And if your first interaction is just generic like most agents, such as, hey, let's set up a time to chat about your home, you've already lost the game. Think of this like a doctor's visit. In the old days, you'd walk in and say, hey doc, I'm not feeling that well. And the doctor would run tests and diagnose you. Now, patients walk in having Googled every symptom, read 3 medical journals, and formed their own diagnosis. The doctor has to meet them where they are, not just start from scratch. And the same thing's happening in real estate. The top agents are using artificial intelligence in 2026 to personalize every single touch point. What this looks like is automated follow-ups that reference the specific properties the lead has looked at, market updates tailored to their exact neighborhood and price range, and content recommendations based on where they are in the buying journey. So an agent now with AI is 100 times more likely to convert a lead if they respond within 5 minutes, and AI makes this possible pretty easily around the clock. Personalization is no longer a nice to have. It's a conversion multiplier. And here's the good news. You don't have to be techie to do this. You just need the right system in place, and once it's built, it runs. All right, so AI is changing how clients find you, what they expect from you, and how you communicate with them. But there's one more piece that might be the biggest opportunity of all, and it's the one 91% of agents are ignoring. By the way, if you're watching this and you're thinking, I need help building all of this out, that again is exactly what the Social Agent Operating System is designed for. In just 8 weeks, we build out your entire AI-powered lead generation system, and you can learn more about that with the link in the description. So moving into trend number 4, video content automation. This is the stat that should keep every agent up at night. 73% of homeowners are more likely to list with an agent who offers video marketing. Listings with video get 403% more inquiries, and homes with video sell 31% faster. And yet, only 9% of agents create listing videos. 9%. 73% of your potential clients want video, and 91% of agents aren't providing it. That's not a gap, that is a freaking canyon, and it's one of the biggest blue ocean opportunities in real estate right now. So why aren't most agents doing video? Because it takes time. Filming, editing, writing scripts, creating thumbnails, optimizing it for search, posting consistently. It's exhausting, I get it, and I've been doing it now for 7 years straight. So I know how much work goes into it. That is why we built Maker Studio. It's an entirely customized platform that automates all of the parts of content creation that real estate agents hate. AI generated thumbnails in seconds, identifying the exact content gaps in your market so that you know what to create and generate the fastest free leads possible, and immediate feedback on what you could do in order to improve the performance of your content. The agents that have coached that are closing 6 to 7 figures a year with clients coming directly to them, they didn't have huge audiences, they needed the right content, optimized for the right audience, created consistently, and AI makes that process 10 times faster. Video isn't marketing anymore, it's lead generation insurance. And with AI automating all of the hard parts, the excuse of "I don't have time" no longer holds. The agents who combine video content with AI optimization are building a moat that traditional agents simply cannot cross. But here's the trend that ties everything together, because all of this data, all of these AI tools, all of this content, it's only valuable if you know where to aim it. And that's where trend number 5 is all about. Trend number 5 is predictive analytics for lead scoring. Most agents treat every lead the same. Someone fills out a form, they get a call. Someone asks a question on Instagram, they get the same follow-up as everybody else. But not all leads are created equal. And treating them that way is one of the biggest time wasters in real estate. Predictive analytics changes this completely. Artificial intelligence can now monitor lead behavior and score them based on buying signals. Are they checking mortgage calculators? Are they looking at the same neighborhood repeatedly? Even have they watched your YouTube videos and are thinking about the selling process? Think of it like a restaurant, for example. Instead of shouting at everyone walking by, you have a system that identifies people who've already looked at the menu, checked the reviews, and are walking toward your door. Those are the people you focus on. So the top performing real estate agents using these systems are seeing conversion rates above 12%, which is nearly triple the industry average. They're not working harder, they're just focused on the right people at the right time. Your time is your most valuable asset. Predictive lead scoring ensures you spend that time on the prospects that are most likely to convert. This is the difference between chasing leads and attracting ready buyers and sellers who are going to make a decision fast. All right, so those are the 5 AI trends, but I know what you're thinking. Mike, this is a lot. Where do I actually start? Let me simplify this for you. Which trend to focus on first? If I were starting from scratch today and I had to pick one thing to focus on before anything else, it would be this: optimize your business to be recommended by artificial intelligence. Everything else, video personalization, predictive analytics, amplifies your results, but if buyers and sellers can't find you, none of it matters. Going back to the stat that 67% of buyers are now comfortable choosing an agent based on what AI recommends, you need to realize that number is only going up. Think about where Zillow was like 10 years ago. Agents who got on early dominated. This is the same inflection point, but with AI. Specifically, you need to be optimized across 3 platforms. Google AI overviews, where somebody Googles a real estate question in your market, and you show up where the AI answer is generated on top. Number 2 is YouTube, where your video transcripts are a primary data source for Google's Gemini AI. The more YouTube content you put out means you are more likely to be cited as a local expert. And the third being ChatGPT, where your reviews, your website content, and your social presence all feed into what gets recommended. Less than 1% of agents are optimized for this. This is exactly, again, what we help agents do inside the social agent operating system. And in 8 weeks, we'll build out your entire AI recommendation optimization system and an AI-powered lead generation system built with you. So now, how do you position yourself? Here's the mindset shift that separates the agents who thrive from the agents who get left behind. Stop thinking of yourself as someone who just sells houses. Start thinking of yourself as an AI-powered real estate advisor. That doesn't mean you need to understand how AI actually works. You don't need to know what a neural network is. You don't need to know all the techie stuff. You just need to know how to use the tools and how to communicate that you use them. So what that looks like is when you're in a listing presentation, mention your AI systems. When you're creating content, show your process. When someone asks why they should work with you, your answer should include, because I leverage the technology most real estate agents don't even know exists. This is the new authority positioning. Confidence comes from clarity, and clarity comes from having systems in place. However, mindset is important here. Let me be direct. If you're feeling a little overwhelmed right now, that is normal. Most agents think this is way more complicated than it actually is. The agents who succeed with AI honestly aren't the most technical. They're the most willing to take the first next step. Think about some of the agents that I've worked with. I've worked with Gail, who's 68 years old, moved to a brand new market, started the YouTube channel, and closed over $340,000 in her first year. Or Barry Cessna, who's an introverted agent with zero social media experience who closed over $100,000 in one single month with under 200 subscribers. These agents didn't have special skills, they just had a system and they were willing to follow it. So you're not behind, you're not too late, you're not too old, too young, too new, or too anything. You just need a better system. And that's exactly what we're here for. So let me extend a little invitation. If you want to be one of the agents that gets recommended by AI, shows up when buyers are asking ChatGPT for help, who has a system that generates leads while you sleep, click the link in the description. We'll work with you inside my team as well with the Social Agent Operating System to build out your entire AI-powered lead generation system and optimize your business for AI recommendations. Everything is built in just 8 weeks with support, guidance, accountability, proven systems, and live mastermind calls with mentorship to make sure that you are dialed in and positioned to capitalize on the biggest shift we have ever seen. And here's the thing that should actually keep most agents up at night, which is every single day that you're not optimized for AI, someone in your market is getting those 5 recommendation spots. And once they're established, it gets exponentially harder to catch up. This is the Zillow moment of 2026. The question is, are you going to be early or are you going to be wishing that you were? So if you found this video valuable, hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss the next one, because I've got some tactical tutorials coming out showing you exactly how to do all of this. But if you want to get started immediately, check out this next video where I will walk you through exact examples of what you need to do immediately to start getting recommended by Google and artificial intelligence.